But the second thing I'm going to say is it's like taking forever to pallet. And I am using their reducer that came with the packet. It seems really, really thin. I know it's neon, but it just seems really weird, really thin. And yes, I use their thinner, okay, their reducer, but it's I don't know. It smells a lot like polyurethane reducer that I've used in the past. Here we go. Let's try it. I don't know. I'm not digging this paint. It's about 60 degrees out here in Tucson, Arizona outside. I know the temperature may not be the best, but I'm not feeling this paint at all. I'm gonna clean my brush out and try something else. Go back to my one shot.